Yeah. Catch anything?
I think we would have.
Oh yeah, there's one right there. You were so close to where it was.
Still there. I can see it.
Oh, it's going over there now. So they're eating stuff on the top of the water. These are like close to the top of the water.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, I see it. I just saw it.
Yeah.
Oh, Ange, get your hook back in there.
It is in there. It's two in there.
Where is he?
He was right where I got cast.
Maybe they don't like orange today.
We're trying to fish at the dam. Angela's scouting to see if there's any deeper water. Or maybe she's looking for fish to catch them with her bare hand. I'm not sure. She is a country girl. She's probably caught them with her teeth before. Look at her go. Like Pocahontas out there. Oh look. Oh, she is looking how deep it is. Maybe if we're lucky, she'll fall in the water like I did. I got Crocs on though. She's just gonna step in the water. What's she gonna do? Oh. I think he just walked in the water. Try again. You gotta give it a really good whack, like wrist flick. That was good.
That's the most you get.
Like Air Force or whatever. So they might not be having them in Canada anymore. Yeah. So I was like,
I mean, you gotta close your door.
I am.
Oh.
I'm videoing.
Filming me.
I think we did. Actually, no. Maybe we did once. Well, technically Andrew did.
Make any money?
My mom won twice and then lost it all.
That's what they count on.
It's like $2 a ticket, so it's like we didn't hurt ourselves. It's more fun watching the horses go by because like they only have
Oh yeah.
like there's no riding or whatever. It's all pull. You see them? Made it to the Sulphur Springs Conservation Area finally. We've been passing this place since we got here actually, and Andrew's always talked about coming here. Now we're actually on the path to walking. We have no idea how long it is. We've got there was a map at the beginning, we totally just didn't look at it. I was like, oh yeah, we should look at that, and now I got distracted by the fish. And I was like, oh cool, fish, because we've been fishing on and off this weekend. So it's been fun. So it's a long weekend for us right now, and if you haven't noticed this week's video, well, I guess you won't see this for a bit, but I'm gonna be late on a video again today because we got people over and we're just having fun this long weekend as a family.
Exactly.
Slowly been telling friends now that I'm pregnant, and it's been really, really exciting, and they've been really happy for me and stuff like that. Everyone's getting a good laugh that it's March again, so that's gonna be a lot of fun.
March party.
March party. Well, no, we'll have our own family party in March, and we'll also have a big family barbecue in the summer because we're not making people drive in the snow.
Yes.
That's not very fun. We have no idea how much snow we're gonna get again this year, but
we'll see. There's a lot of snow last year, like a lot. Like our bushes have still not recovered, and they're supposed to be like, my dad was saying, like they're cedar bushes. They're meant for the cold and heavy snow weather, and they got crushed. So we'll see how it goes. Besides that, talking and walking and being pregnant doesn't really work. So I'll check back in with you guys later. Bye. You liar.
I do.
Are you I'm trying out the new, well, I usually have a bun in my hair. So I'm like, well, this doesn't work because it's not close enough, and apparently it flails around or whatever, so I can't hear anything. So I'm gonna try in my hair, which is fairly close to my face anyway. The sunroom has gotten atrocious. I can't get out. It's my own fault, but I'll fix it later. Figure we'll talk for a bit while we go out and take out the compost, because not gonna lie, after our last guest left, I've been vegging for the last like few days, because you ever have like when you have people like it's one of those things where like both guests that were over, they were super relaxing people, they took care of themselves, they cook and clean, but like the mental, I'm dropping things, the mental like capacity to entertain, it just drains you emotionally. But we vegged out pretty much the last 3 days, living on scraps of food, because that's just who we are sometimes. Goes the other way. Hang on, I need to put you down for this compost. But getting back on track. Luckily, we have nothing to do this weekend, in the sense of like we're not going in, well, we're not traveling anywhere that I'm aware of. Andrew wants to do something as a family, like what we can as a family, but I'm not entirely sure what that means yet. Like parks around here, like we did the last weekend, but I'm also like slightly okay just staying home and doing nothing. Well, not nothing, like catch up. Like I'm just saying like too much, because like my brain's fried. My brain's still fried. I'm on like survival mode of like, I'm still saying like, oh no, mango pepper plant. I think I need to bring these guys inside. I think this is the weekend I'm gonna bring my plants inside so they stop. It's starting to get just a bit too cold tonight. I don't understand this. All summer I've been looking for my spiders, and none of them showed up. Last year was like a ton, and like I'm not gonna show them to you because like they're pretty big. So I understand the fear of some people, but all of a sudden they show up now. I'm like, it's getting cold out. Like it's literally like the point where I was just saying my plants should be coming inside because they're going below 10 at night. But the pepper stuff, like the geraniums can last a little bit longer than inside. But I'm like, do I just bring them in now and get used to the idea of them being in the house again? Probably. For now, just the kitchen honestly was a lot worse than it was a couple of minutes ago. Both the sinks were absolutely disgusting. With buildup of things and dishes and other things that were growing and don't need to be named. Anna's recently learned what cheese is, and well, that's not true. She always knows what cheese is, like cheese strings, but recently now she knows to say it. Now all she ever wants in the fridge instead of berries. Is this fridge? Did she say fridge? I don't know. I thought I appeared a weird word. But now she goes up to it, and it says cheese, and then she knows exactly what drawer it can come out of, and then points at it and asks for it. So that's new. Do you want to say cheese? No. She's currently trying to eat a magnet because she's starving. Dinner's gonna be ready soon. If you give her anything else, she's literally not gonna eat it, and I'm gonna be like, why? Why did I bother making all this food, and you're just not gonna eat it? Hey, out. Out of the bathroom. Nope. Literally.
Dangerous thing of all.
Putting things down the toilet. Literally, as she just tries to do that for the first time ever. That's fantastic. All right. You've been banished, kid. Get out of here. We don't need any toilet problems. Yeah, you're banished. Bye-bye. All right. I'm going to try and cook some butter chicken. Again, this is an easy go-to meal that we love. And anyways, so the goal for this weekend is to play catch up and do one little fun thing. But we'll see what it is. And I'll probably bring you along. I'm gonna work on dinner some more. Have you ever noticed these in the background, this on the shelves? They're from our windows. It's stained glass. They're actually really pretty. Andrew actually entered a works contest where having a photo of it and got $25, so bought some diapers for that, or about half the diapers for that, because they're like 40, but you know. You back in here? Yeah? What you gonna do? Steal my magnets? That actually is where it goes, so that's nice. Yeah. Yeah? Alright, I'm gonna sign off here for now. Not entirely sure. Oh, I can see it from here. Okay, the farmer's market is open today. I kind of thought they closed Labor Day weekend, but I guess they're still open. Works for me. Family walking our... I say family, there's no one behind me. A day off. Where's my family?
She had to pick up a leaf.
She had to pick up a leaf. Oh. It's a very nice leaf.
I guess so. I gotta hold it.
Oh, you want to hold both her hands. She knows how to walk normally, but when she holds both her hands, she knows that she can look at the ground without falling. So this is now our life at the moment. Oh, there's there's more cars. But it's not really. Are you sure it's not someone's house?
I'm not sure. There's a sign right there.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, so we found another park that we're gonna check out this weekend. Oh, there we go.
Oh, we technically parked at the winter parking. There's summer parking just down a little bit.
Ah. I mean...
Yeah, beginner difficulty. Pine Tree Loop.
Yeah.
You go past the parking and then down here, then go into Rabbit Creek Loop. It's 1 kilometer.
Yeah.
And then half, so it's 1.5 kilometers. So that should be fine. And then she'll be tired anyway. So.
Yeah. Okay, let's try that out. Yeah. We're at Allen Park today. I guess it's gonna be a park vlog. Cause I got park last week and a park this week.
There you go.
Yeah, park vlog.
Park vlog.
Yeah. Well, it's the fall weather for us here where we are, and the leaves are starting to change. It's literally so pretty when the leaves do start changing though.
Yeah.
Like, maybe I'll have to come back to my parents.
For sure.
But I also need to figure out where this parking entrance was because it's not clear.
It's just up over there.
Yeah, but like, how do we miss it?
Because we'd have to turn right. We turned left.
Oh.
Google told us to turn left, but we should have turned right.
Yeah, Google led us to a complete wrong
This
spot.
is very much clearly way more marked.
Well, yeah, there's picnic benches. Like,
Actual parking.
this looks way more legit. This is, well, they call this the summer parking. So, oh yeah, there's even a sign.
Yeah.
Oh, there's even fishing here? Okay. Oh, I'm learning more every day.
Fishing, take a hike, thank you volunteers.
Well, I'm more interested in the fishing stuff because we're supposed to know where to take people when they come.
The pond is stocked annually by the Ontario Ministry of Natural Resources and Forestry.
Huh.
So they specifically add trout to the pond.
Oh, there's literally so many people fishing right now.
Oh my gosh, yep.
Well, that works.
See that?
Yeah, I don't think this is a loop. Oh, I guess this is the trail continues on, right?
Yeah, I think it goes like this is part of it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And,
This, I think maybe we'll just go back out to the road and go down a bit and then get on there. It ends.
Sure. Are we going up this hill?
I'm not entirely sure it even goes where we want it to go.
It said so on the sign. Unless we missed it again or something.
Maybe there's another entrance?
I don't know.
They make it look like it's right along the water.
Yeah. It is, yeah.
Yep.
The trail. Okay.
All right, we somehow missed it. We walked right past it. Oh, we did get distracted by the fishing people.
That's true. We wanted to see the fish. So we saw
Yep.
the
So this is the green level loop, pine tree loop.
not green level for babies.
Well, not green level for strollers. Not the clearest markings for these trails, so keep your head on a bit of a swivel if you're planning coming here to know where you're going. At least it's less routes than the other place so far. But I guess we wouldn't call it stroller proof though. It's okay.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. Not as bad as the other one.
No.
So it looks like the trail actually goes this way, but there's a fallen tree and then part. So we're gonna probably just walk down the main road. Well, this is a road that shows in Google Maps up and back. I'll try this side. Just watch out for the blanket.
No.
Oh, good thing I said bring our boots. Oh, that's probably one of the biking trails I've heard about. A lot of bikers around here doing fancy stuff.
Some bumps, some right?
She already fell asleep. We're not even like, what, 5 minutes into this? And she already fell asleep.
I mean, it is a beginner level, right? Green means beginner. So we went down here, so
Yeah.
we kind of cut that part. So what if we start going off this way? And then that'll be our 1 kilometer, and we can either finish by going up
Well,
there.
no, we found out that path sucks.
Yeah.
Like, that's-
But it was,
we can't- we
maybe it
can't-
was just the very beginning, like just looking at the rest of the loop right here.
We
Like
could
where
just
we are right here, it
loop
looks
back,
fine.
come back to here, and then go back
We could
too.
do that too, yep.
Because like, I'm pretty sure this part might be too hilly, like for the stroller.
Ah, that's what you're thinking? Okay.
Yeah. Mushrooms. They're so cute. Yeah, if all the rain we just been getting recently, it's not the like. You're just walking. It's gorgeous, perfect weather, no bugs whatsoever. If you have a stroller and you have this, yeah, bike definitely got stuck there. A little more difficult terrain, especially when you try and keep a baby asleep. I don't know if that's good enough. I might have to actually go this way. Here, I'll help you. What? No, it's fake. Who puts a fake frog on a log or stump?
For fun.
Well, that's fake. That's kind of cute. Oh, it's a sprinkler. Oh my gosh. Well, no, I think it broke. And someone probably brought it here for fun.
I guess so.
So it looks like they had a fan-made bridge and it died. Oh, we got quads. Okay, they're just taking the road. Well, that's good timing on our part then. Well, this is pretty. A babbling brook.
Looks more like a creek to me.
What's the difference?
A creaking creek or a babbling brook.
I hear babbling over creaking then. There's so many of them. And they're everywhere. That's a different color one there. It looks like people are checking them to see if they're any good. Or purposely stepping on them, can't tell you. Maybe. There's just so many of them. Oh, there's the road. We made it. Yay! There was much rejoicing.
We did the little rabbit bunny trail, the easiest one of all.
Well, easy on foot. Like, that was really easy on foot.
It was easy and it was pretty.
Yeah, it was easy and pretty. But
Time no stroll.
yeah, it's not a stroller trail. It's a nice easy walking trail. I suggest if you want to bring a stroller or anything on wheels to just stick on the road, but just be careful. Like, we saw 4 ATVs go by, and technically it's a road, at least according to Google. So just be careful and mindful of that. But I would just go up and down the middle of it and not do any of the trails, because even the easiest one was like they're they seem like they're kind of maintained, but like there's definitely some fallen trees that are quite large all up and down the trails. So I had to lift the stroller over those. Besides that, they're actually really nice. Yeah, had I still had Anna in the hip carrier, like, I can't do it now because I'm pregnant, but if I still had Anna in the hip carrier, I probably would do that, and that would be really easy to do with a hip carrier. So I would do that.